Hello, I'm Christine Brondyke, Executive Director of Sweetwater Center for the Arts, and I am here today with Mark Rengers, the owner of Rengers Gallery, along with Melanie Vera, the gallery manager, and we are here for a little Q&A session about YAPP, which is an arts program created to support and inspire young artists all over our region.
I had a conversation with Vince DeLee, president of First National Bank. We both share a common desire to help communities in general, and we both just love the arts.
We had a group of kids up here. It was a 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade group of about 20-some students. They were up here looking at the exhibit, and they were in love with all the paintings. They had their sketchbooks and they were drawing in front of them. But there was one kid that was off to the corner, and he had a sketchbook on the ground, and he was tracing the sunlight that was coming in from the windows. And I think that just really captured what YAPP is about. It's just finding art, it's finding creativity in anything and finding a way to implement that.
The biggest thing, though, there's such a moment for me with when we're doing these programs is what I like to call the aha moments. When you see it in their eyes, you see them just fully engaged, and literally their eyes just grow. And for me, that's why we do this. That is the full purpose of what we're doing. We're bringing these kids an opportunity to just experience art, and like I say, it just gives them exposure to a whole new world that they're not used to. I'd spoken to one of the teachers from Martin Luther King Elementary School on the north side of Pittsburgh. And in that conversation, when I was talking to him, he has to, by himself, support 500 students on a daily basis. Art supports science, art supports math, art supports language. It's an access point for children that struggle in all those other areas. So we are adding to that. We're adding to those schools, and that was kind of shocking to me. I knew there was a need, but when he told me that we were able to do more in one day for these kids with the youth program, it really hit home for me.
To be able to grow this program and to be able to reach more children, more community centers, more schools, we need the support to be able to engage those areas. It is very important to note that this program is done free of charge for all of the community partners involved. So the program takes care of transportation, it takes care of supplies, instruction, teaching artists. This is no expense to the community partner.
This takes a whole community. As they say, it takes a village to help a child. And man, we have more need now than ever.
We want to thank our partners for the YAPP program, for which it would not be possible: First National Bank, the Grable Foundation, and Rengers Gallery.